Shannon with the SII store, and today we're going to be making a custom candle using the Forever water slide paper. The first thing you want to do is drop it down in the water. This will help your design part from the paper and easier to slide onto your candle or whatever you're transferring to. Let it get very good and saturated. It makes it easier to work with. All right, and once you start to see it start to come off a little bit, start to give it a little slide with your fingers to separate it. And just pull your paper out from underneath it. And then you have some time to work with your slide, get it directly into the place that you want it, get the bubbles and wrinkles out. And you have your custom candle. If you like any of the products that you've seen today, please give me a call or visit our SII store.